Introducing the Opus Off-Road, the folding camper with endless possibilities for adventure. The Opus is an easy-to-tow, lightweight camper. The camper is geared up with off-road tires and an articulating hitch with 360-degree mobility. Enjoy a family cookout in the slide-out kitchen, which includes a stainless steel sink, 4-burner gas stove, and slide-out 2-way refrigerator. You'll also notice an outdoor utility shower and a slide-out storage compartment. Enter the trailer and you'll find a fixed double bed next to a cleverly hidden portable toilet. The leather U-shaped seating area surrounds a demountable table in front of a second sleeping area, which comes with an easy-to-zip privacy curtain. At the end of your adventure, the Opus easily folds down to reveal a universal racking system, which carries boats, bikes, you name it. Come check out the Opus Off-Road at Curtis Trailers, where our business has been your vacation since 1948.